we have to show that A dot B plus C and A plus B plus C, cross product between these two is 0. Now, vector A dot vector B plus vector C cross vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to, now vector A dot vector B plus vector C cross vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Now, this is equal to vector A dot vector B plus vector C cross vector A, one thing, plus vector B plus vector C cross vector B plus vector C. Now, why I have used two type of pen here? Because indeed you can do it like this one. First of all, vector B with cross product of each of this, then vector C with cross product of each one of this, okay? Or we can do like this also. So, first of all, this pair vector B plus vector C cross product with only A, and then vector B plus vector C cross product of vector B plus vector C, just to save the time. Now, these two vectors are equal. The cross product of these two vectors will be 0, okay? So, we are having vector A dot vector B plus vector C cross vector A plus 0. Now, is it clear? So, just to make you understand that suppose this is equal to A, this is equal to A. So, A cross A is cross product is 0, okay? Now, to this part, now what we can write it, vector A dot vector B plus C means, suppose now this is one thing and this whole is the another thing, okay? So, what we can write it? We can write it now to this part, vector B plus vector C cross vector A dot vector A, okay? Now, vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A. Is it clear? So, let me explain you once again. Now, this is one part and this is the another part. Now, suppose this is A and this whole is B. So, A dot B is equal to B dot A. So, that is why I shifted this dot toward this side, okay? Now, vector B plus vector C dot vector A cross vector A. Now, what is the reason? Dot and cross are interchangeable. Dot and cross are interchangeable. Now, this is equal to vector B plus vector C dot 0. vector A cross vector A is equal to 0. Therefore, it is 0. Hence, vector A dot vector B plus vector C with the cross product of vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0. Proved.